The DJI Pocket 4 is very capable straight out of the box, but with the right accessories it will change how you shoot with it. And I've tested a load of them, and you will notice a lot of small rig accessories in here, and that's just because they keep winning on convenience, price and size. And there's something in here for every budget, so let's take a look at which ones are worth buying. If you haven't got a tripod for your Pocket 4, then this one is a must-have. It's slightly bigger than the one that comes in the creator bundle with the Pocket 4. It's really well made, and it's still small enough to fit in your pocket or in a small bag. The legs measure around 6.5 centimeters and they clip together to keep it neatly closed, and to open it you simply press the button here. And the legs are angular as well, so this won't roll away when you put it down. There's a 1/4" screw thread on top to attach your Pocket 4, and then it's surrounded with a nice soft rubber top. It's perfect for placing your Pocket 4 on a tabletop, and because the legs hold together so well when closed, it also acts as a really good extension handle for your Pocket 4. This next accessory is also a tripod, but this one is tiny. And you can leave this attached to your Pocket 4. It screws into the base, and then when you put it down onto a table, you simply angle it slightly onto one of the legs and the tripod opens. Pick the camera up again and the legs automatically close up together. This is a real solid build, and the legs are made of metal and they have soft rubber tips on, and this protects surfaces from scratches. So often I would just lay my Pocket 4 down onto a table, which I know is a really bad idea for the screen and for the lens, and this tiny accessory, which I absolutely love, means that you don't have to do that. You can leave it attached and then place your camera down onto a table in an upright position. But if you want a tripod that's even more substantial, then there's this one from PGY Tech or Insta360, and this is the Multimount. This is a grip, so you can place your Pocket 4 on top onto the 1/4" thread, and there's a ball head on top so you can change the angle of your camera, and then you can use this for vlogging or just as a long extension handle. And then it's a substantial tripod, so the legs fold out from behind, and then you have a bigger tripod, so this is better on more unstable ground and uneven surfaces. And then there's this piece of plastic at the back here that pops out, and then this allows you to hook the tripod over something. So this just gives you another mount for a different scenario. And then finally, this is also an extended arm. And then you can use this for a longer extension for your Pocket 4. You can use this underslung so you can hold it and move it along the ground upside down. There are just so many uses for this, just to give you that advantage and that extra length to get the camera in a different position. This next accessory is super simple but so useful. These are mount supports, and they are soft rubberized stands for your Pocket 4. And you can put these on a desk, a tabletop, any flat surface, and then just stand your Pocket 4 in there. And there are also 2 sticky pads included, so you can use these in a more permanent position if you wanted to. And these are only suitable for flat, even surfaces, but they are really stable, and there are 2 of them included in the box. The Pocket 4 has a built-in battery that can't be changed, so if you want to ensure a longer battery running time, then you're going to need something like this power bank. It's basically a power extension handle. It's 5,000 milliamp hours, and it plugs into the base of your Pocket 4. The 2 clips on the side give it a secure fit. There's a battery indicator here, and then there's a USB-C charge cable included. And this power bank also acts as an extension handle, and it's pretty much the same size as the camera body, so you attach this and you've doubled the length of your camera, and this makes it much more stable in your hand. There's also a 1/4" thread on the base, so you can still use it with tripods or other accessories with a 1/4" thread. So this is a metal camera cage that wraps around the bottom of the camera here. And this then attaches to a quick release mount. And the quick release mount is fixed to this magnetic circular ring adapter. Once attached, you can use this to mount it to any magnetic metal surface, which gives you more mounting options. And the metal arm pivots so you can get the best angle. And when not in use, it folds up neatly behind the camera so you can keep it attached for convenience, or you simply use the quick release here to detach your camera. And it comes with another adhesive ring mount as well. And this means that you can attach this to a non-metal surface, giving you another place to mount your camera. The precision engineering of these mounts and the build quality really is excellent, and the magnet is surprisingly strong. This is an even more serious camera cage for your Pocket 4. Open the mount up and your Pocket 4 slots in here. So this wraps around the bottom half of the camera body. There's a neat cutout here, so you'll still have access to the joystick and the record button, as well as access on the side here to the memory card slot. And the whole of this metal plate pivots so you can open it up and place it on a table. And it's also magnetic, so in its closed position you can attach your camera to any magnetic surface. There's a quick release on the side here so you can remove your camera from the cage easily and quickly. And the inside of this cage has grippy rubberized inserts to protect your camera and hold it in place. And the mount also comes with a wrist loop. There are also 3 1/4" threads which give you a place to either add accessories to the Pocket 4, like lights or mics, or you can use these 1/4" threads to attach your Pocket 4 to a bigger camera or to other accessories like this next one I'm going to show you from PGY Tech. This is the PGY Tech Handlebar mount, and I know that the Pocket 4 isn't strictly an action camera, but if you're on smooth roads and you want to have a go at mounting your camera to your bike handlebars, then this is a great option. It clamps onto your handlebars, and then there is a short magic arm that allows you to position the camera in multiple positions. Now if you really want to up your game with your Pocket 4, you'll want to invest in some filters. I've been using Freewell filters for the last 5 years, and they've brought out a mega limited edition 14 pack of filters. There's a CPL filter, which is a polarizer to help reduce reflections. There's a light pollution reduction filter, and this is great at night to reduce the glare from artificial lighting. There's a snow mist filter, and this gives footage a softer cinematic look and reduces that harshness that you sometimes get with these smaller cameras. There are 7 ND filters, and these help you control the light, so they are like sunglasses for your camera. This will give you more control of your shutter speed so you can create more natural motion blur. Also, there are 4 ND filters which are combined with polarizers, so this gives you control of reflection and exposure all at the same time. The filters attach really easily and magnetically to the Pocket 4 lens, and they just snap in place. And they come displayed neatly in this hard case, and each one with its own moulded section so they're held securely in place. Freewell also have this smaller pack of filters as well. And in here you have 3 ND filters, but also you have an anamorphic lens and a macro lens with an additional anamorphic. And these really do give your Pocket 4 even more shooting options, and you can get some really nice macro shots. Even though these pocket cameras are stabilised, they still pick up a little bit of bounce as you walk. So this stabiliser is good for those that want to create the slickest videos possible. It's particularly good if you want to attach your Pocket 4 to a car and go over a bumpy ground, or if you want to run with your camera. This isn't pocket friendly, and it isn't one of the cheapest accessories in this video, so it's for those that want to make more serious videos, not for the everyday casual shooter. The camera attaches here, and then there's this huge spring that you can adjust to get the correct balance. Although there is an official bag for the Pocket 4, if you've invested in a lot of accessories and you want to get a bigger bag like this one from TomTok. This is my favourite camera bag. It has some padding for protection and lots of compartments and pockets on the outside and inside, so you can pack a load of accessories in here. The great thing about this bag is that it's a sling bag, so you can swing it around, open it up, get out the accessories you want to get out, do the bag back up, and then swing it back round out of the way. It comes in 2 sizes. You can even buy the smaller one if you haven't got many extra accessories, and it makes travelling super lightweight. And inside my bag I always have a lens cloth, and I use this one from Chums, and it's got a small bag with a lens cloth sewn into it, and you can then clip this to the bag or to your belt loop, and it means that you never lose your lens cloth. I've left a link to all the accessories that we've talked about in the description below. Let me know in the comments which is your favourite. My name's Rich, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.